Hello, Vachu. Welcome back to the question number 46. In that question, what we have to find, they are saying find the single equivalent increment, right? For these 3%. For these 3%, you have lot of formulas, you have lot of shortcut for that. First, you can use your tree method also, sorry, not tree method, on pillar method. You can use your pillar method also. You can use xy wala method, you can use xyz method, you can use fractional method. There are a lot of methods we have done in percentage basic. So please, इस क्वेश्चन के शॉर्टकट के लिए अगर आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शॉर्टकट चाहिए तो देन प्लीज वॉच द परसेंटेज बेसिक वीडियो ऑन मोकोपीडिया, राइट? देन यू विल गेट योर आंसर्स. चलो जी, ठीक है बच्चों. Now they are saying that now I am using fractional method there. 20% what that means, it is equal to 1 by 5. 25% it is equal to 1 by 4. 30% it is equal to 3 by 10. What that means, 5 is increased with 1, it will become 6. 4 is increased with 1, it will become 5. This is the meaning of that. And this will be 10 is increased on with 3, it will become 13. That is the calculation what we have. Now let me calculate. 5 is cancel out with 5. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, right? It will become 20. This will become 39. Now 20 is going to become 39. That means we can calculate the increment, and the increment is 19 unit, right? Or you can say increment in percentage will be equal to 19 is increase on 20 multiply 100. Let me cut it with 5. You will get 19 multiply 5 is equal to 95%. That is option number third for question number 46.